everyone. Bitch. Hi everyone. It's my first video. So I wanted na maging okay, like maging best. That's the following video with you. Charot. But yeah, like you want this video na maging okay. I mean maging maayos. But yeah, na parang ang funny kasi hindi ko nga alam gagawin ko eh. Like seriously, like I really don't know ano na magiging content ko. Like, parang wala, spontaneous. I mean, ano lang to, random. Like, literal na random. Just like, may accounts na, may social media app. Like, random lang talaga siya. Like, kasi, but yeah, you don't mind. Anyway, like, ayun, parang, siguro din, I'm happy na, kasi I'm doing this, yung first vlog ko, Pride Month, like June. So, yeah, wala. Since I'm part of the community then, this is it. Parang, this is to celebrate my sexuality. And parang, right? Like, my gender. But yun, na-feeling ko na parang, deserve ko naman. Na parang after how many years, I feel like I can say na I'm more confident now sa gender ko. But yun, like ano lang to, raw whatsoever video. Like, I want my, actually hindi ko alam if magiging raw video to. Like, I just want my vlog na parang maging live. Ganun. Or depende, di ko alam mo, magbago siya in the future. But for now, I want it na parang medyo smooth, like ano lang, smooth lang, like butter, di kang katawa. Anyway, like gusto ko lang maging smooth siya na parang, wala, like walang any, like may mga sound or whatsoever, pero hindi marami. Ba't ko pa i-explain? Anyway, like, and if may narinig kayo ingay sa aircon yun, so I'm sorry. Yeah. And hindi ko pa kayo tumingin sa camera. Like, if napapansin nyo, hindi pa ako makatingin sa lens ng maayos because I'm not yet ready. Like, maybe next time I feel. Wait lang. Like, literal na random lang siya. Para lang, may masabi akong first. Alam nyo, kaya ako na, hindi siya cringe. Parang nakarapo lang ako kasi I've always wanted to be a vlogger. Like, parang I always want na mag-video, mag-take ng video. Kasi just that wala nga kasi akong confidence, wala akong courage to do it. So feeling ko, I feel like, hindi siya bagay to me. Nagiging ganun yung eksena, parang, it's not for you. Yung ganun yung eksena. Eh, parang this past few months kasi, I feel like, I'm so scared na wala akong mag-build ng career. Parang, I'm so scared na in the future walang mangyayari to me. Yung gano'n, na parang, and since sabi ko nga, since nag-video din naman ako sa sarili ko, then why not pursue ko na lang tong vlogging whatsoever? Like, diba? Parang, since, if makita nyo rin yung camera ko, I mean yung album ng phone ko, best, puro siya video, like, dead ma. Kapat yun. Like, random lang. Hindi talaga, pero it's fine. Bibili ako ng mic, guys. Yung may noise cancellation, yung hindi ng kapatid ko rin. Diyos ko, paano ka, yun din, paano ka magiging vlogger kung bawat paligid mo ingay? Pero, yun, parang, bibili ako ng mic na may noise cancellation. Like, hindi nyo rin marinig yung boses ko. Sana all nakakatawa. Anyway, and pansin ko rin naman, mahilig ako magsalita. Mahilig ako mag-talk, hindi ba obvious? 4 minutes na to, puro lang ako salita. Kaya, yeah. Hindi ko rin alam, ipapaabutin ko to ng 10 minutes. Kasi alam ko, 10 minutes ata para ma-monetize ka sa YouTube. And it's fine. like, need ko munang mag-get yung requirements before monetization. Gusto mo yan sa matindi. Nasa pera agad, mukha talagang pera sa bakla. Pero I'm not doing this for money. Like, disclaimer lang. I'm doing this for myself. Like, ginagawa ko to in the future na para may check ako. Like, wala. Basically, my diary. Something like that. Open book. Na parang for everyone. Yun. And, ang funny cause, wait. Ang funny cause ever since high school, ask my friends, like, open talaga ako with my secrets. Like, lahat. Hindi ko na siya isa-isa, pero halos lahat ng mga dapat kinikip mo as a secret, bitch. And ayun, parang going back, like kanina, isa pa, like, very TMI ako nung high school. So, yeah. I feel like yun talaga ako. Sadyang dumaan lang yung pandemic, dumaan lang yung 2023 to 2024. Parang, yun, nawala na ako. Like, hindi ko na alam kung ano ba talaga ako. Like, I really don't know what to do. Parang wala na akong focus. Ganon. Parang hindi ko na alam kung anong gusto ko sa life. Something like that. But yeah, like, ang reason for me to, alam mo yun, realize everything ulit is because, like, yung mga me time ko, especially, like, knowing na before, hindi ako mahilig sa me time. Palagi ako may kasama. Kasi feeling ko rin hindi ko kaya. Yung ganun. Kaya yun, parang nung time na ang dami ko ng me time, dun ko lang na-realize na what I really want. And yeah, doing these things, like vlogging, pumunta sa mga cafe, like alone. Yun, na parang I feel like that's for me. Ganun. Kaya sabi ko, like, I want to do this for myself again. Like, parang gusto ko siya na wala, parang may babalikan lang ako. Basta yun, like, yun. Parang gusto ko lang na parang in the future may check ako, may mababalikan ako na parang, oh yeah, dito ka nagsimula. Ganap na ganap. Pero yeah, like, ang dami kong dream for myself. So, I want it na hindi lang maging dream. I want it to happen. Like, ganun. So, yeah. Ang random, but yes. Ulit-ulit ang sinasabi ko. And, I don't know kung paano siya and hindi ko alam if mag-thank you ba ako. Pero feeling ko, yes. Bitch. Ang dami ko sinabi kanina. So, yeah. Sana kung natapos nyo to, thank you. Yay, congrats. But yeah, like, hope to see you soon. See you on my next vlog. Bye.